Did you blow it out? That's the fourth time. Yes. Is that the fourth time? Huh? Is it the fourth time in a row? Huh? Say. Is it fourth time in a row? Did you just go?
Say, I'm on my fourth diaper in 10 minutes.
Hey, you just keep blowing it out?
You say hey to Aunt Elizabeth?
You say hey.
Hey, Aunt Elizabeth.
Say hey.
And hey, Aunt Katie.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hey, can you say hey?
Hey.
You want to. Can you, baby? Hey. Baby. Quit looking at the picture.
Beanie. Beanie, look over here.
Hey. Oh. Hey, Mama.
Hey, Beanie.
Can you see Mama?
Hey.
Huh? What? Say hey. Got the hiccups.
And here's the little boy. Say hey, little boy. So tired. He's so sleepy. Mwah.